Good evening. So, nga itong buhaton karon is we're going to install C++. So, our first step is we're going to go to the website mingw to download the setup file. Okay. Afterwards, you'll just click downloads. Then this one. You'll just need to wait. Okay. There. Once it human yung download, you just click it. So install. As you can see here, ang directory niya downloadan is C, drive C. But here in my computer, ang akong drive C hapit na mapuno. So you can actually choose asa nimo i-download siya, but in my part, hapit naman mapuno, I'm going to choose drive E. Here, drive E. And I'm just going to create a new folder. Okay, this one. So I'll just click OK, then continue. Before this tutorial, I already installed it, so just to show you how to install it again, that's why this happens. But sa susunod, diretso na lang mo. So here in my part, I already installed it in this folder, so I'm just going to click reinstall. Okay. So after installing, you'll just click continue, and another window will pop up. You'll just click this packages. Fortunately, I already added it in my previous installation, so wala na tayo dapat button, so I'll just quit. Okay. So after installation, what we're going to do is atong i-check kung if the installation is successful. So we'll just open our CMD, our command prompt, then type G++. So here we can see there's an error. So meaning we still need to do something to fix this error. So what we're going to do, we're going to set up the environment variable. So ang atong button is okay. Madto ta sa i-right click na to ang this PC, then properties, then ato ta sa advanced system settings, then environment variables. And sa environment variables, select path, then edit. So as you can see here, direta mo add sa path para dito sa C++. Mo click lang ta og new. After clicking the new, let's go back to the Explorer. Then we'll get the path for that one, for Ming GW bin. Just double click this address, copy this, then go back here, then new, add, then okay. And it's okay. Just close this one, this one, and we'll just reopen the command prompt. So G++, so there you go. So we have successfully installed our C++. So once again, thank you for watching, and hopefully you will watch the next video.